Welcome back to the channel. I got my buddy Jacob here tonight.
How's it going?
Got the Sunset and the two trucks. We're gonna be going over the exhaust setup I have on my 2001 F-150 Triton 5.4. And this morning me and Jacob got a video of a cold start, so I'll put that in the video now, and then we'll put in a clip of another startup, and then we'll do some drive around videos and stuff. Psych, we're not doing the cold start video because it's too windy. I got the 5-inch tips that come all the way back from 2.5-inch pipes, and then same thing on the other side. You can see it back there too, all the way back. And Jacob's gonna start it up now. Sounds pretty decent. I like the way it rumbles. It still has all 4 factory cats on it. That'll be figured out later, but I like the grumble. And now Jake's gonna give her some revs. It's got some pops to it. Not as loud as it could be with the 4 cats, but that'll be for another video. It's a couple days later. We got the truck on the jack. Got Jacob under the truck. His name isn't Jack though. And we're cutting the cats out, replacing it with flex pipe, so she's louder.
We're only gonna cut 2 of the bigger ones out, so it's not gonna be like insanely loud, but it's definitely giving a lot better tone. See here are the pipes underneath going back. And then you got big converter here, and then your small ones. And we're gonna be taking out these bigger ones today.
Okay, the first one is out. Now Jacob's gonna put the flex pipe in. We got our clamps.
This one kind of got crooked, but it should be fine.
So after cat 1 is out, we got it started. Listen to this one. Good bit louder. We're gonna come over here. And this one's a little tamer. So we're gonna get this one out now. Okay, we got both cats out, replaced. We'll get a starter video now. Got Colby over there. Come on out. Take her down the road.
Bad chop. Hopefully he waits for the car. Dude. Just bellering.
We got yeah. So some of the flex pipe came loose, so we're fixing that. And Jacob, good guy, made me a sticker with the logo. We got it there.
They're $15 each.
Yeah, you heard the man, $15. He's the one that makes them. So yeah, we got the twirly things off the clamp. We're gonna get the flex pipe back on there.
He just came off a little bit. Still need to connect it. There she is.
Pretty man. So yesterday, me and Jacob got the leak fixed. The flex pipe isn't like fixed all the way, but it's fixed where it still sounds good. That flutter you hear over there is the leak. So it's not terrible, but it's not perfect. But yeah, so it sounds pretty good. And that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. It took almost a week to make, so put a lot of work into this one, and I hope it's a good one for you. Cool thing about these projects, like my truck and everything, is that it's all like myself and buddies. Like, it's my work, and I wouldn't necessarily call it a build, but I'm doing my own work to it. And yeah, so hope you enjoy this one. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you want to. Yeah, hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching.